Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your intelligent speed limit assist in the 2022 Kia Forte. I have in front of me here an EX Plus IVT in radiant red. Let's get started. So to start us off, the intelligent speed limit assist button is on the right side of the steering wheel here. It's actually in the same location as our cruise button from before. It just doesn't say cruise on it anymore because now it's a two-function button. So if I were to just push the button, it's actually it would then turn on the cruise control and set the speed, but we're not moving right now, so it won't let us. But if I were to press and hold this button in, you're now going to see at the top right of the instrument panel there that it says there's a limit and it's set to 30 kilometers an hour. Now it's set 30 kilometers an hour because right now I'm not moving and that's the lowest speed you can set the limiter to. If you were moving and you pressed and held that button to turn it on, it would then set it to the speed that you were going at that time. You can use the silver button under the cruise button to increase or decrease the speed that you want to set the limit to. If you were to press and hold that button, it will actually start to go up or down in tens. So as you're driving, your vehicle will not go any faster than the speed limit that's set in the corner there. If you were to approach that speed and you still accelerated, the car will not go any faster unless you put your foot down almost to the floor to put it into overdrive, and then it will go over that speed if you happen to be in a situation where you need to go over the limiter. And if you were done with the limiter, and it will beep at you and blink at the same time to let you know you've gone over the speed limit that you had set before. When you're done with it, you can press and hold it again for a few seconds and the limiter will go away and now you're back to driving like normal. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.